Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study Hiragana. Today we are going to study these 8 characters. 今天我们学习的是这8个平假名。那么开始吧。Okay, let's get started. Okay, then before we start, let's review last lessons. 咱们复习一下上一次的课程吧。What is this? This is なにぬねのなにぬねの How about this? はひふへほはひふへほ OK はい、それでは今日のレッスンを始めましょう。 This is ま How to write ma? 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Ma. Me. How to write me? 1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. Me. Mu. How to write mu? 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Mu. This is me. How to write me? From here. 1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. Me. Okay, this is mo. How to write mo? 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Mo. Okay, so here's a question for you. What is this? This is me. How about this? This is mu. Ma. Mo. Me. Here's another question for you. What is this? This is machi. It means town. How about this? Momo. It means peach. How about this? This is kami. It means hair. はい、それでは次に行きましょう。This is ya. How to write ya? 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Ya. This is you. How to write you? 1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. You. Hi. What is this? This is yo. How to write yo? 1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. Yo. はい、それでは発音の注意点です。や、ゆ、よのゆに注意してください。ゆ、口の形は軽く開けるだけです。ゆ、よではありません。ゆ、や、ゆ、よです。Okay, then here's the question for you. What is this? This is ya. How about this? This is yo. And what is this? This is you. Ya, you, yo. What is this? This is 部屋。 部屋 it means room. How about this? This is 夜 夜 it means night. How about this? This is 雪 雪 it means snow. はい、皆さんお疲れ様でした。Thank you for watching my video and see you next time. Bye. 下个影片见，拜拜。